I get the last vestiges out of the bag, and then I think about the times we've had, and I comprehend that it's your heart that I need to mend. So I'll send this out to you. I want to see your face on the pillow when I wake up, and I want to tell you how I feel inside, but I know that it's not right for me to hide. I get the last vestiges of you out of my head, and I don't think about the things we've said. I'll put you in the song, tie you to this melody.